Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Amvr Pico 4 facial interface. This product is designed to make your VR experience more comfortable and immersive. I've been using this product for a while now and I'm ready to finally share my thoughts with you. When I first received the Amvr Pico 4 facial interface, I was impressed with the packaging. It comes in a compact box with all the components neatly arranged. The interface itself is made of high quality material and feels very durable. In the box, you will get the facial interface bracket, a 12mm thick PU leather foam pad, a silicone nose pad, a microfiber cloth, and instructions. The pad is attached to the bracket with Velcro, which means if the included pad is too thick for you or too thin, and you have other options available to you, you can swap it out for one of those, but I found the included pad to be just the right size, which brings me to FOV. I get 102 vertical and 102 horizontal with the Amvr facial interface, compared to the stock one of 100 vertical and 102 degrees horizontal. So basically 2 degrees improvement on the vertical, but nothing in the horizontal, which for me is the meaningful one. Using the thinnest pad I had, which is one I believe was built for the original Oculus, I still can't improve on the 102, 102 numbers. And this incredibly thin pad is actually uncomfortable as the sides of the lenses are quite literally pressed into the sides of my nose. Using a thicker pad I found it to be super comfy, but I lost FOV with final numbers somewhere in the ballpark of 98 to 100 degrees, both horizontally and vertically. You will have to ultimately decide what compromises you're willing to make, but like I said previously, I found the pad they sent to you to be the perfect size for this facial interface. In addition to using Velcro on the brackets, it has vents in the top to improve airflow and reduce lens fogging, and I found them to work just fine at doing that. The facial interface attaches to the Pico 4 with magnets, so moving on to the magnet strength test. It passes this with flying colors as you're able to lift the Pico 4 with just the interface. This translates to the facial interface not shifting as you're using it, as the magnets are doing their job and holding it in place. This brings me to my only issue with this facial interface, the nose pad. The nose pad attaches firmly enough, but it has one less than desirable feature that all of the nose pads for the various Pico 4 interfaces seem to have. The ends here are left to just hang loose and flap, which for me leads to them poking me in the eye or bunching or twisting up as I put the headset on, and ultimately I've chosen not to use the nose pad. It's not a huge issue for me, and I actually forget as I'm in VR that I don't have a nose pad in place, but it would be nice if one of these companies would create a nose pad for this where all of the parts are firmly anchored and attached to something, and nothing is left to hang loose and poke you in the eye. Beyond that minor issue, this Amvr facial interface is actually quite fantastic. I can wear it for hours and never once feel the need to reach up and adjust it because parts of it are creating pressure on your head or generating pain. In addition, it wraps far enough around the head that there is no light leakage in the sides, as has been the case with the stock interface. If you're currently using the stock Pico 4 interface and you're looking for an upgrade, I would most definitely recommend this Amvr version. For those interested, I have placed an affiliate link to Amvr's website in the description, and if you use the coupon code GTR, you will get 5% off. While you're looking to do some upgrades to your Pico 4, I would strongly recommend the Bobo VR P4 battery and back pad upgrade, which you can find here.